I bought clothes. I've pretty much like doubled my workout routine in the last couple months, and I'm finding that having the same 3 workout outfits isn't working out for me anymore. Am I saying workout too much? I just don't have the capacity to keep up on that laundry. So I bought clothes. But here's the catch. I am super bad about opening packages, so I bought these like over a month ago, and I don't remember what's in them. So this will be a surprise for both of us. I do know that it's Fabletics. Anybody who's got a little junk in the trunk knows it's impossible to get workout pants to stay up when you're squatting. Fabletics is the only brand that I've tried that will actually keep the goods covered. I apparently also bought some Nobull. News to me. Love their shoes, have never tried their clothes. Okay, first from the Fabletics package. Looks some shade of red. Oh, sports bra. I love a good sports bra. I hardly own any real bras. I love this color. I do have a pair of workout pants that are this color that are now too big for me. So I'm hoping I also bought matching pants to go with this because they were my favorite and I would love to replace them. My goodness, I look wonderful in HD. Oh, looks like it's the same color. Huh, thinking ahead. If you watch any of my videos, it's super obvious that I'm terrible about matching my clothes. I get dressed kind of like a teenager, like if it's on the top of the hamper and it's not that dirty, I'm wearing it. That was a joke. I do not reuse workout clothes. That is gross. Matching pants, heck yeah. I don't know if I've ever had a matching workout outfit. I'm really excited about this. All right, let's see what we got. If I know myself like I think I do, I think I got black pants. Those go with anything. Oh, they're blue. Ooh, a nice blue though. You guys see that? Oh, no, there's the black pants. I'm sure of it this time. Gray. I think that's gray. There is a rumor going around that I might be slightly colorblind. What color is that? These feel really thin. I'm nervous about these. I don't know if they're gonna pass the squat test. We'll see. I'll try them on. I shouldn't guess the color anymore. I'm always wrong. Gray. Blue! Blue to match my blue. From the looks of things when I ordered this stuff, I was planning on taking a lot of shirtless pics. I had high hopes for my future. These ones are black. I am almost sure of it. My goodness. Joggers? I bought joggers? I'm just getting so trendy, wow. Technically they are black, but they're also camel. I so much do not remember what I ordered. It's honestly kind of wild. Gray sports bra. Color coordination on point. I said make it plain, but make it match. All right, this is my last Fabletics, and it's not pants. So I guess I didn't order any black pants. Branching out of my comfort zone. I don't know what color these are. I was getting real fancy with these little knots in the front though. Look at that. Hopefully this color matches literally anything else I got because I probably will wear it with all of them. I'll just keep my shirt on that day. All right, on to the Nobull. Package is so small, I'm like, does Nobull sell underwear? Cause what the heck else is in here? A shirt. I got a shirt, duh. Looks like I got a little crop. I was so confident when I made this order. I love that for me. I'm seeing some black, I think. Good old-fashioned t-shirt for when I'm feeling modest. This fabric is wild, you guys. It's very soft. But it almost feels like it should hold water. I'll report back on that. She's also a little thin. I feel like I can see the skin color of my hand. It's alright. We're in our immodest era. Last but not least. Another crop. Apparently I said I want the same exact thing as the t-shirt I bought, but no arms. Also take out the tongue. We don't need all that fabric. You know, honestly, I'm happy with it. I'm excited. It's a little bit like Christmas because I had no idea what I got myself. What this haul tells me is that when I made this order, I was so confident. I had plans. I was telling my future self that the gun show is coming. And it is, baby.